Hey guys, welcome back to the Sparkle Girls. So today we're gonna be making pizza, and we've already put salt, yeast, water, and what else did we put in there? Flour, because we need flour to make it not super sticky. But after doing that, we've created the perfect dough. And as you can see, it's basically what our dough is going to be using. It's homemade dough, and we've been loving it the past few times we've had it. So today we're going to be showing you guys how we make the pizza, and we don't make it in the oven since we have a new Ooni Pizza oven, and I'm sure you guys have heard about that because there's been like 25 commercials going on in a day. So yeah, we got it, my dad's brother got it, and we are going to be making the pizzas. So the first step is to grab small chunks of it and make sure that it's 200 grams in each bowl. And after making sure that there's 200 grams in each of these bowls, we will be setting it out for about 30 minutes or so. And then we're going to be putting the toppings on and putting it in the oven for 60 seconds. And while that's happening, we'll be setting up the other one in the kitchen. And it's going to be very hectic. So first things first, we have to grab this entire thing of dough, and we're gonna get a ginormous chunk of the dough. As you can see, our dad's doing that right now, and taking the.
Just see it. See, so it's a little too big. Right, it says 257. 30. Just about perfect.
Okay.
Next one.
So now that we did that one, we're going to be moving on to the next one. And this time, I'm going to be doing it since my sister helped out with that one. So we're just going to be taking a ginormous piece off this thing that's probably not enough. This might be enough.
Too much. We'll see. You got to let go of it. 220. So I just want a little bit off. 200.
Exactly. So now, guys, we've got to get
help you out?
another one. We're gonna trying to get out all of.
It's fine. Just put it in there for you. Okay, a little bit more.
Just a bit off. So you guys can do a. You guys don't have to use the scale, but we're just preferring to use it right now. So next we have to put 200 grams in there and see how that works. That's probably a bit.
That's gonna, well, basically you need to break it in half. So why don't you start with one of those and let's see how we're doing. 160, so you need just a little bit more.
Off of that one.
You need just a tiny piece.
This?
Maybe a little bit more than that, like this.
That is 2/4.
That'll be our last one, which can stay in there.
So this is our bowl, and this is going to be our last one. We're just going to see if this is 200.
Oh, you have to pick this up. I think because we squished it out.
So it's a bit over 200, but that is still okay. So
Cover them up and we're going to
so now we're going to get some plastic wrap, and we're going to cover it up. So let me get the plastic wrap. Okay, guys, so as you guys know, last we left off, we were basically telling you guys about the dough, and then the dough was going to rest after splitting them apart, and which is turning on the oven. So you guys can check it out down below on the link down below, and we will also be showing it in this video right now. Right now, I'm doing the full. Right now, my dad is rolling out the pizza because, like, you need the pizza to be rolled out. You don't want them to be blobs. Blob pizza's not good. But my dad's rolling them out, and they're looking really, really good so far. So outside for you guys to see the Ooni pizza oven that we got, and if you guys want it, link down below to look at the Ooni Pizza oven. So make sure to be informed of that. So we're going to start by putting the oil on. So make sure you have some olive oil and then brush it all over your pizza because you don't want it to be sticky. So you also want to go fast. So you want to keep shaking it around as well. And as you can see, my just oiling it for some reason. Well, yeah, we're oiling it because that will do something. I forget what it does. So we've put enough oil on, and now it's my turn to do the sauce.
She could do the first one, you do the second one, okay?
So I'm going to pour
And then I would do the cheese sauce.
a few globs
A little
on,
bit more than that, otherwise it's going to dry out.
and I think that's good. And now we're going to rub all of this around the pizza.
That pizza's looking good already.
So I think that the sauce is looking really, really nice. Our first pizza is going to be a pepperoni pizza. So yeah, and the next pizza I'm going to be starting on, and my sister's going to be doing the second, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, Charlotte, it is your turn.
So first I'm gonna sprinkle some on.
Maybe use your hand sprinkled on, that might be easier. So put a lot on there. And we also have this other mozzarella cheese. It's 2 cups and they look a bit different. So we're also putting some Italian pepper on basically. It's an Italian, and you use that on the pizzas that you get from stores. So yeah.
It's my turn. Sorry.
So the next step will be to put more cheese on. And my dad's going to do a bit more of that because we need to put a whole bunch of money. Yeah. But anyway, there's 20,000 things to do. Charlotte, I'm the pepperoni.
And Lyla's putting on the pepperoni.
So I'm probably going to take just this much. I don't think I'm going to be putting I might put all of it on. So let's see. This, oops. Okay, that, and then maybe this, and wait. Doot, doot, doot. Okay. So the pizza is looking really, really well, so it's time to bring it out. So yeah.
Lyla, let me bring it out.
So guys, we are out by the oven right now. Oops, on our back deck, and this is the new Ooni Pizza oven. Shot, don't go that close.
It's pretty hot.
So our dad's right now putting the pizza in there, and we're gonna count to 30 for each side.
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So now that we've gotten that side done, basically counted to 30. It's looking really, really well so far. I don't think we put enough cheese on though. But back we go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So basically, look at this ginormous bubble. That bubble is ginormous. And it's just going to keep rising.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, So we literally only did it up to 14 because, well, I mean, like the bubble's getting really ginormous. It was also looking really, really nice. So like the bubble's further away from the fire now, so okay, it's not that far away, I guess. But anyway, because there's fires on both sides. So yeah, we are moving it out, and it's looking very, very nice for the first pizza. Hopefully these bubbles pop, because then it's gonna look like Mountain Pizzeria. It's gonna be the Mountain Pizzeria, the place where there's ginormous bubbles on every single pizza. Yeah. So yeah. So this pizza is looking really, really nice. So now we're gonna head inside. The bubbles are slowly going down. I don't know if you can see that, but the bubbles are slowly going down. So we're gonna go back inside. We're gonna make another pizza, and this time I'm gonna be starting the pizza. Okay guys, so we are now on to the third pizza. And since we thought that, well, probably, you guys would be annoyed with watching this count for 20 minutes by the Ooni Pizza Oven. For like a minute by the Ooni Pizza Oven. So we decided that we just block that out, and we're just making the pizzas now. Woo. But there are some on the table. So right now my dad is rolling out the third pizza, and we have the oil, sauce, pepperoni, cheese ready, and our mom also got some mushrooms because she likes mushrooms on her pizza. So I think we also should make one pizza half cheese, half mushroom, because Alex likes mushrooms too. So anyway, it's time for us to start putting it on. So we gotta get that oil all over the place. Scrub it up, dub. Scrub it up, dub, 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 dub. So this seems like enough oil. Time to move on to the sauce. Oops. Okay, whatever. So that probably was enough. I'm a light sauce person. So that probably was a light sauce, which is what I like. So.
Okay, you can try to keep it off the thing.
So this seems like it's good, and now we are putting, this wonderful cheese on, and hopefully it turns out good. I'm just gonna put a bit more,
I'm gonna put some of the mushrooms on here for Mom's.
No, this is my pizza.
Okay.
So now that I've gotten that, we're gonna put the pepperoni on my pizza. So I got just a chunk of pepperoni. I probably won't use it all, but whatever. So I'm also gonna make a design on my pizza. And this is my flower design. So now we're gonna put that in the oven. Oh, right. So we gotta put a little bit of this.
Hold it on the side, just tap it.
So now the pizza's looking really, really good. So we'll see you guys in a minute.
Abby.
You helping this time, bud?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
Yeah, it's gonna go right there in just a minute. Just leave it go, because some of that's hot, but.
Rachel.
Does Mom want to do it? This one's gonna be mushrooms on it.
What?
One bite?
Yeah.
Daddy's saying that's a little hot.
Yeah, it starts to get a little bit hot. You wanna do
Got it? Okay. Do you want a bite?
Mm.
Daddy's making it. You can put a little bit more on mine. Nope.
A bite.
You want a bite? Oh, no. You just bite this. Want a bite? Oh.
Yeah, just let it go. Let it go, buddy.
Cheese.
Here, do you want a piece of cheese? Here. Piece of cheese.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm. Just leave it there. Just leave it there, bud.
Tried to cut them like super thin this time.
I have the temperature down a little bit, which I think is also helping. Just leave it go.
Cheese.
You want some Ronies on it?
Give it a couple. Sure.
Cheese. 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 Uncle Parker.
Just pepperonis. Just leave it. Do you want one? Here, do you want one?
Uncle.
You gonna put it on?
I just want to help. And then eat it. And then transfer it on pizza.
Hey guys, so I hope you liked that show, this video. And the pizza was delicious, so you have to try this. By the way,
And
remember-
we also we are gonna make a new thing tomorrow, so making sure you check that out tomorrow. And we see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Before we start by, make sure to check out the link down below for the Ooni Pizza Oven. And make sure to stay tuned for other videos. Remember, subscribe, turn notifications on, and maybe hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. I don't know, but we will see you guys tomorrow, and maybe we'll make a key lime pie with you guys. Who knows? But bye. See you next time.